This is the Personal Learning Device Take-Home Orientation Part 3, Keeping Your PLD Safe, Fargo Public Schools, Middle School. Help prevent damage. PLD damage can be prevented. Here are a few tips to help you. Keep food and beverages away from your PLD. Having beverages or food near your PLD may cause them to spill onto the PLD and cause damage. Keep your PLD flat on your desk to prevent it from falling on the floor. Stacking it on top of books and/or binders increases the risk of it falling. Your PLD should be the only thing on your desk when using. Holding the PLD from the bottom will prevent the pressure on the screen that can crack it. Carry it closed with a hand under the device. As you can see in this picture, a person is holding it with a thumb on the screen. That causes pressure and will crack the screen. Be sure to keep the screen of your PLD at an angle. When your PLD is forced to be flat, wires can break inside. Do not place stickers right on your PLD or put anything between the plastic cover and the PLD. Leave the plastic cover on the device. It is your PLD's protection. Leave the tags and stickers on both the PLD and the charging brick. Carry your PLD and charging brick in the neoprene case anytime they are not in use. Library books or textbooks and things of that nature put in your case may cause the screen to break. PLD and charging cord should be the only thing in your case. What if your PLD is damaged? Always report any damage or problems immediately to the library staff and net manager. There is a $20 accidental repair fee for most instances of damage. Replacement cost of intentionally damaged or lost PLD is approximately $233. A student may lose the privilege to take the device home if not able to act appropriately and responsibly while using the PLD. What happens if you lose your PLD? First of all, you should always retrace your steps and check with all of your teachers and in their classrooms. If you are still unable to find it, please see a team teacher or the library staff for what you should do next. You may also click on the Lost PLD procedure, and that will help you with what your process of doing should be if you lose your PLD. Need help? If your computer seems to be lagging or is slow or just not working right, always restart. You should plan to restart your computer each week. This will also help with any updates that need to be applied to your computer. Still having trouble? Again, restart before heading to the library to see if that solves the problem. Lost your computer? Think about where you last used it and retrace your steps. Computer damaged? Report to the library staff right away. There may be a $20 fine. Responsibility. Your PLD will support your learning, but it comes with big responsibilities you are very capable of having. Thanks, students. Let's have an awesome year.